let's discuss that how we are thinking of going about. So there is a core committee. The member of the core committee, I will be forming is a WhatsApp group, and the name of the WhatsApp group will be Crime Free Bharat Support Group MSG. So the all member, they will also be creating their own WhatsApp group. Name will be Crime Free Bharat, and say Krishna Murthy, so he will write KM. Say Rahul Mishra, so he will write RM. Say Manish Kumar, so he will write MK. Say Nitin Venkatesh, so he will write NV. Say CA Harish, so he may write CH or whatever name he prefer. And all the members would be creating a group in which they will keep their fan club, their people known to them. I strongly suggest that you please don't include anybody without explaining them the concept, taking their consent, so that it should not happen that after joining that people are leaving, it gives a very bad test. So please take them in confidence before you are making them the part of the group. You can provide them the literature and material and things so that they can go through it, and with their consent only you aid them. And the moment they become members, they have to now open their own Crime Free Bharat Support Group with their nickname, and in this way this chain will continue. Now, what this group member will be doing? The group member has to do certain activities. That activity is that they have to conduct one weekly video conference among their own group. They will discuss the concept of the Crime Free Bharat. If any negative happening has happened, they can even address in their discussion. They can either the project, the problem, if they could not conceive the answer. Otherwise, or if they want to give the suggestion, they can give the suggestion in that through that video meeting, and then they can send a text minutes of that meeting, so that we will be working out on their discussion and deliberation, and if any important points comes, we will take it to our national agenda, and it will be incorporated while designing those solutions. Now this chain will continue without any stoppage. It is very important that this chain should not be broken. Now, what else they are supposed to do? So each member has to make a 1 or 2 minute video of his own, and he can even approach some celebrity if he is having some appeal. So his own as well as of any non-celebrity or approachable celebrity, and will be getting this, as we have done for Anup Jalota. Some of his fans spoke to him, and he got this video which I have shared with a few of you, and Manish will be uploading today that on YouTube channel also. So this kind of the appeal would be 1 or 2 minute appeal will be done by each of our member of the Crime Free Bharat mission. This should be not bigger than 2 minutes. This raw video clip should be sent to us. Our technical team will work on it and will do the branding and will send it back so that you can post it in your fan club. And our core team will be uploading that on YouTube channel also. So now the two activity. One activity is conducting weekly meeting. Weekly meeting will be about the Crime Free Bharat mission. It might take any odd incidents which is bothering their mind. If they feel there is a suggestion, they can offer that suggestion. If they feel there are the challenges which they feel probably need to be addressed, and they can point out those challenges to the Crime Free Bharat team, so that those in our technical modules, if any additionality or additional module need to be created, we will go for that. Now each member of our group, irrespective of level, he has to download Narendra Modi, our Prime Minister app. And in that app, there is a one section that is Man Ki Baat. So go to Man Ki Baat, and in Man Ki Baat, there's your ideas. So each one of us every week has to write to the Honorable Prime Minister about crime-free Bharat, and with a request that our team should be invited, so that and they should cover it in Man Ki Baat also, and our team should be invited, so that our country can be made crime-free, and all we together can make or can change the face and fate of this country. So one more thing I would like to say, tell about the group. Say if you feel that in your group somebody is senior to you, and probably it may not look that nice that if he is being made of group under with your nickname. So in that case, I will suggest that you please you talk to him with his consent. You create a WhatsApp group in the nickname of that senior person. And in any case, all the member of the that group, then they have to create their own group. So everybody will get an opportunity to really create WhatsApp group. And this chain of the WhatsApp group will be spreading with the geometrical progression, and it will be reaching out to the crores and crores kind of the things. If to this extent everybody is have understood and in agreement, because what I feel that when so many people from across the country, they would be writing to the Honorable Prime Minister through Man Ki Baat, then I am very sure in 1 month or two, it is going to find some place in the mention of the Honorable Prime Minister. And I am very sure, because this is going to change the fate of the country, because I feel that per capita income will grow by 3 times, and GDP will grow minimum by 5 times. So from 3 trillion economy, we will not be growing to the 5 trillion economy, but we would be growing to 15 trillion economy. When per capita income will grow minimum 3 times, so there will be a lot of disposable income. That will increase consumption, that will increase production, that will increase jobs, that will increase everything. All economic activity will be in very high soon. In Corona, people are losing job. Economy is shrinking. So all the more there is a need of that this approach.